Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I've got something very exciting to share with you. It's the very first time that they've released this, as far as I'm aware. It's a beauty box from simplybe. This is what the box looks like. If you're not already aware, simplybe is a huge online fashion and beauty website. I've had an account with simplybe for many years, and I do like to dip in now and again. Plus also there's always discounts going on. So when this came up, I thought, whoa, okay, exciting. We've got Next that do these monthly beauty boxes now. ASOS do these monthly beauty boxes. They're not subscriptions, they just release them. If you want them, you can see exactly what's inside them. You buy them. If not, then you don't have to. So I got really excited thinking maybe this is something new and they're going to bring these out now and again. Now the contents you will see, for me personally, I wouldn't say it's a wow box, but I do think for the value it is a good box, and I thought it'd be really good to share with you to let you know all about it. The cost of the box is £20 and shipping is £3.50 on top. They have got a code on their website that you can use, and that is TREAT, and that will entitle you to have 20% off everything on the website, but you have to spend £40. And I believe if you open an account with them as well, I think you might be able to have maybe a higher discount off your first purchase. I'm not too sure, but yeah, that treat is there for anyone anyway. So yeah, so I think that's it as far as information goes. There's not much else on the website talking about this box, so we'll get straight into opening it up and showing you what's inside. All details and everything related to this box you'll find down in my description. So underneath this video you'll see show more or a downward arrow. If you do click that, that'll bring up my description, and links and things will be listed down there. Now it did come with some extra packaging, but I've just taken that off. So there's a good few things in there, isn't there? I'll show you the little card first. Welcome to your simplybe beauty box. We hope you love your exclusive treat worth £67 and enjoy using all the gorgeous items inside. We are sending you some lockdown self-care. You deserve it. So the first item in the box was the item that brought up quite a bit of discussion on my Facebook page and Instagram, because it's a foundation by Rodial. There's no shade choices in the description. You get sent what you get sent, basically. So it's a bit of potluck. For me personally, I got fair, which is brilliant. Suits me. If it was a little bit too dark for me or too pale, I haven't tried it yet, so I'm still not sure, but I do have like tinted drops and things that I can add in just to give it colour or to make it a little bit more pale. So this is the Cover Lock foundation. If you've tried it, please let me know your thoughts about it. I haven't tried any Rodial foundations before, and yeah, it's a cream foundation. I'll just do a little swatch now. Ooh, that's quite a warm toned fair. Yeah. Yeah, not quite my shade there. See, you'd imagine fair to be quite pale, wouldn't you? That is full on tanned for me. Full on tan. It feels really nice though. But yeah, I'd have to maybe sheer it out in like a moisturiser. Maybe something, because it's too dark for me to put it on my skin as it is. Yeah, definitely look in here. You might not be able to see with the light as much, but it's quite orangey. It is, yeah, it's very orange. That's a shame, but as I said, I can tone it down in a moisturiser, or I can add like little drops or other foundations in it to dilute the shade for me. It doesn't say anything else about it. The vitamin-enriched formula effortlessly blends for an all-day flawless coverage. Next, we've got a product from This Works, and this is a Stress Check Clean Hands. This is a antibacterial hand gel, moisturising antibacterial hand gel with 70% alcohol and pure essential oils, and there's 60 ml there. Something handy, put in the handbag. Then we've got the most gorgeous colour nail polish. This is stunning. This is Nail Paint by Barry M. This is in shade Flip Flop. It is such a gorgeous colour. It's like a burnt orange. Oh, it's stunning. Now I'm going to have gels soon, so press-on nails are going to be gone. Nail polish on my nails are going to be gone. But Definitely a shade for my toes. Yeah, I do really like that. Next, we've got a little sample of Filorga, and this is a lift structure ultra lifting face cream, and we've got 7 mils here. It's a little mini. I've tried a few products from this brand before and they're really nice. Yeah, really nice. Quite a pricey brand as well. Feel Unique sample services. They usually have quite a few of the Filorga products in their samples. So if you do like their products, or if you want to try their products at a really cheap price, then go and check out the Feel Unique. It's ultra lifting. That's all it says on the back there. Next, we've had another product that I've tried before, and this is by Prai. This is a cream for your chest and neck. This is Ageless Throat and Decolletage Cream, and there's 15 mils here. Again, this is a really lovely cream. It is really nice, but I don't use it. I've got it behind me, but I don't use it. And the reason why is because always with my skincare, whatever I've applied to my face, I just blend it down. And then I forget then, oh yeah, I've got to do this up here. But it is really nice. Maybe I need to actually put it in view. I suffer from something called, I don't suffer, suffer's an extreme word, but I have difficulties with object permanence, if you know anything about that. If I can't see it, I don't know it's there and I won't use it. I forget. I don't realise what I've got half the time, so I have to have things on view in order for me to use them. So maybe I need to put it somewhere where, you know, I will think, oh yeah, cream for my chest. So there's that. And then we've got 2 masks left. We've got one by OK, and this is a avocado sheet mask. It just says made in Korea especially for you. Liven up your beauty regime with this OK face mask. And then they say firming, hydrating, etc. But it doesn't really say there, unless I can't see it. Super silky. They do really nice masks actually. My daughter really likes this brand. Then we got a mask by Rodial, and this is from their Dragon's Blood range. We got jelly eye patches to hydrate and tone. It contains 20% skin hydration shield, Dragon's Blood hyaluronic acid, and there's 2 patches obviously for your eyes in there. So yeah, so those are all the products, so I'll just gather them all up. So these are all the products inside simplybe's, I'm guessing their first ever beauty box. The cost of the box is £20, and there's 7 products in all. That has a value of around £67. So yeah, as I said at the start, it's not a wow box, but there's some nice products here, and I'm glad that I got it. And yeah, definitely something to look out for. So if I hear of any more boxes that they're releasing, I'll post it everywhere so I can let you know. What do you think of this box? Did you buy it, or did you have a look and you think, nah, not for me? All your thoughts and opinions, I'd love to know, so please comment down below. But I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care, and I'll speak to you soon. Bye.